Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to today's video for M.A.P, which stands for My Automatic Pay. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and I just want to bring you inside of my back office, show you around a little bit, and just let you know that this program is still very much alive, still very much going strong. I've actually been part of My Automatic Pay since it first launched back in November of 2021. And let us fast forward to today. March of 2023, and this program is still moving along very nicely and still going strong. As a matter of fact, just had another commission come in a little earlier today, and that earned me another $247. With M.A.P, we get to keep 100% of the commissions. This is a worldwide direct member-to-member program, and everything that you need to get set up and get started with ease is in the back office. This is a very easy to navigate back office. The system is user-friendly, newbie-friendly. It doesn't require any special skills, training, education. No technical skills required whatsoever. This is a complete business in a box. It's a turnkey system, and it can, once you set it up, it can be running for you on autopilot, okay? All you have to do once you do set it up by selecting your capture page and having it redirect to your sales page is just sending traffic to the capture page, okay? And all of your different options are included in your back office. There's lots of choices. For me, ever since I got started, I combined both free organic, free methods with paid methods, where I purchase clicks and I buy solo ads. And I'm always just working and focusing on building my email list for M.A.P, okay? I've got a great follow-up system in place, follow-up emails, which I will share with you when you get started, along with my blueprint and all of my resources, both free and paid. So you'll know exactly what I'm doing and what I've been doing to consistently earn since the very beginning when I first got started at the end of 2021, okay? So without further ado, let's go inside and let's look at the back office a little bit. This is the back office right here. These will be your statistics, which will be updating every 24 hours for you. And as you can see, one new sign up today, and in the last 24 hours earning me $247. When you first get started, there's 4 introductory welcome videos that you want to watch on getting activated, setting up your website so that you can get paid with your website selection and your payment processor selection, all about traffic, all your different resources for your marketing resources to drive traffic to your M.A.P capture page, and then how to collect more 247 payments. A very simple strategy that I definitely encourage you to utilize, apply, and implement, okay? And then all your videos will populate here, and you'll just want to watch these. These are all 4 videos to getting paid. Very, very important, okay? So you want to do that first. Once you've successfully completed all of these 4 videos, then you come over here to the left side of your dashboard, okay? And you click on Start here at the very top tab. This is where you're going to first complete your profile. You want to fill that all out, every field with your information that's required. So that's step 1, okay? Step number 2, you're going to watch the payment options video, and then you're going to, for step 2, set up your payment processor. You can choose from a variety of different payment processors, okay? For me, I've elected to go with my merchant account, so I'm able to accept all major debit and all major credit cards. Therefore, I can take payments not only in the United States, but also worldwide. So that's been very beneficial, okay? And then step number 3 is you will go and you will activate your website. There's a couple different website options to choose from. I'll show you and share with you the one that I've been using now for quite a while, and it works very, very well. And then it'll automatically redirect to a sales page. So let me just pop in here and show you what that looks like real quickly. Okay, we have, this is capture page 1, this is capture page 2, and this is our third choice. This is the one I've been using, okay? The 741 a day capture page, okay? So this is the one I've been using, and it'll automatically redirect right over here. So you choose whichever page you want for your primary, and you click it. And then you just simply click here to make your redirect. Very easy. There's a video that shows you exactly how to do that, and then you are good to go, okay? And then number 4, once you've done the profile, selected your payment method, selected your capture page, you have to just focus on getting traffic, okay? That's the 4th step. So very, very easy. And then, of course, you activate your site. You start here. This is something that's brand new here, folks, the 90-day blitz. So let me just click on this real quickly and show you exactly what that is. You want to listen to this audio first, okay, because this will give you insight and a very nice overview into the MAP 90-day blitz challenge, okay, that will work in your favor, especially helping you to pay off debt and enjoy a better financial situation, okay? So here's the strategies, here's, the insight and all the highlights of this amazing blitz. So definitely review this, okay? You can hold yourself accountable right here when you take massive action. Here's the game plan, alrighty? And here is the information right here for you, okay? For this month, next month, and the following month. So that is comprised of a total of 90 days, all right? And then you can download your 90-day MAP Blitz right here. So this is something that's very, very insightful and helpful in helping you to achieve your goals and future success with My Automatic Pay. All right? So very easy, folks. Again, we do the profile, we select our payment method, our capture page, and then we focus on getting traffic. So let's just click on this. And there's a wide variety of different options. I mean, this is direct response marketing, social media. This is a complete guide and blueprint. And there's a wealth of information here that you can review. And then I just encourage you to go through this. If you have to go through this, more than once, feel free to do that, folks, till you fully grasp it. And then my best recommendation is apply and implement what is here in this guide and in this blueprint to help you to succeed with MAP. Again, there's a lot of information, scripts, recommendations, all that good stuff. Okay, so then we come right back up here toward getting traffic. Now this has been my personal favorite. Aside from my video marketing, YouTube, and my Facebook marketing, which I just do for free too, by the way, folks, just using Facebook stories and my personal page. Okay, we've got the solo ads, and the resources are all here for you. Okay, there is all the information on the frequently asked questions, sample CPC ad swipe for you. Here is the in-house Tier 1 solo ads. You can start with 200 clicks. We have a world-renowned provider right here. You can click on this banner. That'll take you right into his website. And then this is one that I use a lot called Udemy, udimi.com. You go there, you create yourself a free account, and then there's hundreds upon hundreds of providers. Now, I've been using this tested and proven resource for a long time now. So when you do partner up with me, I will share with you my top 5 best sellers that I use, my 5 top go-to sellers on Udemy that have consistently delivered great results, okay? Great quality leads that work and that convert and have produced consistent signups for me for my MAP, okay? So I'll share that with you, and I'll also share with you all of my email swipes, okay? My entire follow-up campaign, so you can, literally plug in and duplicate and copy, exactly what I'm doing. Copy my campaigns. I'll be sharing with you my resources, okay? And some extra special bonuses from me to you for partnering up with me in my automatic pay. And I'll be there to help you. We can get on the phone together. We can have a strategy session, and I'll help you to get your system set up if you need, additional assistance in setting up your system, getting your follow-ups all in place. I'll be sharing with you my email swipe, my ad copies, and my best resources. Okay? Exactly what I do that have allowed me to consistently gotten these type of results with MAP since I joined. So we go back to traffic, folks, and if you're someone that likes postcards and flyers, we have that covered for you. We have the mailing labels, we have the postage, there's an optional rotator, we have drop cards, there's an optional bridge page, an 800 number that you can use for your marketing, a simple strategy here that I highly recommend on assisting you in making more 247 payments. There's a bonus page for traffic that you can incorporate into your marketing. There's the MAP Enterprise option and the M.A.P app option. Okay, this is something that works extremely well for follow-up. Okay, so I'll just click on this, folks. And this is something when you do get leads and you do have access to their cell phone numbers, folks, you definitely want to use this. And the little script is here that you can use to text using this very link right here. Okay, but you want to make sure first that the individual has gone through your system and has watched the presentation first. Okay, that would be most beneficial prior to sending them the text message. Okay. So you can definitely do that. And here's an audio that gives you insight on how to utilize this M.A.P app tool. Okay, I've used this with great results and I highly recommend it. So we have a lot of different functionality here in the back office, lots of tools and lots of resources and training as well. Most of this comes with step-by-step video training, tutorial, and instructions to show you exactly how to use everything and how to get it set up with ease. Okay, and that's very, very important. That's exactly what you want. All right, so going back to traffic, folks, we have everything right here. Again, direct response marketing. We have the guide, the blueprint for social media marketing. We have solo ad resources. We have postcards, sales letters and flyers, mailing labels and postage, rotator option, drop cards, bridge page, an 800 number. We have a simple strategy on how to get more 247 payments. We have an optional bonus page and traffic page. We also have the M.A.P Enterprise option, and we have the M.A.P App Tool option, okay? And then we come down here. I highly recommend that you go through all of these resources. Take your time, start with the 10 core commitments, work your way down to Ready, Fire, and Aim, broadcast opt-in email option. I do recommend using that if you're using the system to collect your leads. It does have a built-in autoresponder, and it also has the option for you to integrate like @response and Aweber. Okay, I currently have my Aweber fully set up and integrated to help me to build my email list, and I will share all that with you, okay, when you get started with me. We've got an audio library. We have top earner secrets. We have emails for third-party autoresponder. Okay, that's what you want to focus on if you're going to be doing Aweber or GetResponse or any of those, common household names. There's a complete overview, payment options, shows you right here how to forward your domain. Very, very important. Terms and refund policy. Make sure you read over all of this. The compensation plan update, pass-ups, FAQ for frequently asked questions, how to maximize the compensation plan, system overview, follow-up. That's very important because that's where the fortune is at, folks, is in the follow-up. And the money's in the list, your email list. And using these different, resources, you'll be able to build your email list and then the follow-up. So you definitely want to pay attention to this. And then here's additional information here on Stripe using and incorporating and implementing the Buy Now Plus option if you elect to go that route. Here's information about the wonderful founders here and the M.A.P cap. Okay, so lots of great stuff. This is where you're going to be able to access your products, okay? All your wonderful products, your marketing products, your health and wellness, everything is included, folks. Here's the marketing products. They're all available for digital download, okay? And there's always more products coming soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. Okay, so that is your digital products that are marketing, your digital marketing products, and your health and wellness. Okay, which is equally important these days. So you can access everything, download them, and then apply them and use them in your personal life and in your professional life. All right, so with all that said, folks, everything is here that you could ever need and want, okay, all in one central location. So let me just show you, capture pages, what mine looks like here before I close out, okay? Now this one has worked very, very well for me, and I just encourage you to go below and go ahead and check it out. As a matter of fact, I'll even put it right here. It's going to be my Automatic 247, okay? myautomatic247.com. So there we go, folks. There's my page. I'm going to drop it below in the description along with my contact information. Best way to reach me is text me or call me, and I'll assist you with whatever you need. Any questions, let me know. I'll help you to get your system set up. I'll be sharing with you my resources, my blueprint, my daily method of operations, and my email campaign. Everything you need to be up and running for success with your new M.A.P business. Thank you so much for allowing me to share it with you. Another video on my Automatic Pay, a wonderful system that you can be earning and be in position to earn unlimited $247 commissions over and over again through consistent marketing efforts. Remember, nothing happens until you first and foremost take action. I just recommend getting started as soon as possible so that you can benefit from this amazing system and stay committed, stay consistent with your marketing for the best results. We've got everything that you need. This is turnkey, business in a box. It runs largely on autopilot. You just have to drive traffic to this page, collect names and emails, get them onto your email list, and have your follow-ups going out, folks. And there's, of course, other little strategies along the way to help you to increase your conversions and your signups, and I can go over those with you and share with you the ones that are in the back office that I highly recommend, that I use all week long, folks, to earn consistent commissions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon on another video. Bye-bye. Oh, my link's below, my contact information. Go to myautomatic247.com and enter your information, and then click here to get instant access. You'll be redirected to the presentation page. Make sure you watch the presentation and follow the prompts, okay? Once that timer video concludes, there'll be a little link at the bottom which will take you to a new page, folks, and that's where you can review additional information and get started. The instructions will be there for you to pay your $33 one-time admin and then your $247 membership. Okay? Thank you so much. See you soon, and bye-bye.